Namaste students. Now in this video we are going to learn comparing decimal numbers. We'll learn how to compare the decimal numbers with some of the examples. Here is the questions based on fill in the blanks. They are given two numbers. First number is 0.39, second number is 0.93. They are asking us to compare these two numbers. To compare these two numbers or to identify the smaller or larger numbers, first we will convert given decimals into like decimals. After converting that all the decimals into like decimals, we will arrange that one in place value chart. Once we arrange the given decimal numbers in place value chart, we will compare the whole parts, then we will compare the decimal parts. After that, we will decide which number is larger, which number is smaller. Let's do that one with this example. As you can see in these two decimal numbers, both the numbers are like decimals because number of our decimal places are same. Next, I will arrange given decimal numbers in place value chart. If I arrange this 0.39 in this place value chart, 0 comes in ones place, 3 in tenths place, 9 in hundredths place. Same way, I will take the second number. In this second number, 0 will come in ones, 9 in tenths, 3 in hundredths. Here I arranged the numbers in place value chart. After this, I will compare the whole part. As you know that the number left side of a decimal point are called as the whole part. Here whole part is ones place. In ones place we have a same value. Because of that, I will compare the next place, that is tenths. In tenths, 3 and 9 is there. We know that 3 is smaller, 9 is greater. So 0.93 is the greater than 0.39. Or you just compare the whole part first, then you compare the full decimal part. In the decimal part we have 39, here 93. 93 is more than 39. So because of that 0.93 is the greater number. So I will place the symbol, that is greater symbol for 0.93. This way we will identify the greater and smaller number. Let's do one more problem. 11.32 and 11.3. As you can see, in the first number there are two decimal places. In the second number there is one decimal place. First I will convert these two decimals as a like decimals and then I will arrange it in the place value chart. As you can see, first I drawn the place value chart. I will arrange the first number, that is 11.32 in the place value chart. After arranging that, 1 comes in tenths, one more 1 comes in ones place, 3 comes in tenths, 2 in hundredths. Second, there is two decimal places. Because of that, I have to write 1 0 to the rightmost to make it as a like decimals. Then I will arrange this one in the place value chart. 1 is in tenths, one more 1 is in ones place, 3 is in tenths. They are not given the 0. So to make that as a like decimals, I have to add one more 0 to this. Now I will compare the whole part. In the whole part, both the numbers are same. After that, I will compare the decimal part. In the decimal part, 32 is greater than the 30. Since the number 11.32 is greater than 11.3. Hence 11.32 is the greater number. So I will write the symbol. Let's take one more problem. 42.489 and 41.2 984. First, I drawn the place value chart. I will see is that given two decimals are like decimals or not. As you can see in the first decimal number, there are 3 decimal places. Here also 3 decimal places. Therefore, both the decimal numbers are like decimals. Now I will arrange these two decimals in place value chart. Once I arrange 4 in tens, 2 in ones, 4 in tens, 8 in hundreds, 9 in thousands. Same way, second number 4, 1 will come in ones, 9 in tens, 8 in hundreds, 4 in thousands. So first I will compare the whole part. As you can see in the whole part, 42 is greater than the 41. Since 42.489 is the greater number, so I will write the sign like this, which means 42.489 is greater than 41.984. This way we will identify the greater and decimal numbers.